install this, I believe it's 32 LED light bar. Or we're gonna go ahead and put it right behind the bumper. It's gonna go right here.
On the inside, right?
On the inside. And it's gonna look pretty badass. Alright.
So we're gonna start off by removing 2 pushing clips and 2 10mm bolts that it has along the top side of the grill, so the grill can come off. Once those get taken off, I'm removing all the wiring that's attached to the grill. It has these little pushing clips. If you have pliers, it'd be a lot easier to just pop them out, but I didn't have that many tools at my house, so we just worked with what we had. But we removed these and disconnected the wire, and it releases the grill after that.
Ay, güey. Órale.
Ay, güey.
Yeah.
So we got this shit off. So this shit was just held on really by pressure. You take off the 10mm bolts that it had on the top and the pushing clips here, and it pops out. This one can go in the trash. Took the left baffle off so we can get access to this here, the support bracket. And the bracket that goes on the LED bar is going to be bolted here and here. So we have to take off both sides. And it just had one pushing clip. Get close on that. One pushing clip. I don't know if you can see that shit. And then it has some little like pinch tabs. You just push them together and it comes off. So now we got to take that one off. And these, just a little bit of pressure knocks them out. Then I began prying apart the push-in tabs that I was talking about, one by one, the top one and then the one that's actually behind the radiator support next to the radiator. Pinch those. Once you pinch those, it pretty much just comes out. Wiggle it around and it comes out. Like that.
There you go.
And then this bracket is the one that holds the LED bar. And it's gonna go here at the bottom right there. We got to remove that bolt, and then it's gonna go bolted on here, and then remove that 12mm from the impact board. So we're gonna remove the 12 here. Oh, it's not even 12.
Was it 14?
Yeah, 14. So now we begin by removing the 14mm nut that was holding some of the reinforcement in place. That's all we're doing here, so we can get access for that bracket to the LED bar to be held onto.
Alright, so explain what you did.
Oh, we just put the nut and the washer through the hole through the support bracket and to the reinforcement where our LED bar is gonna go. So we just put our, I'm not gonna tighten it until we have everything mounted.
Okay.
Alright, so we were messing around with the hardware. It's gonna have this Allen and this pressure washer and a regular washer. Now we put it back in because it wasn't giving us room to get this light bar in. That works a lot better. Hold that shit. So we had initially put both of the brackets that hold the LED bar, but it wasn't giving us access to actually insert the LED bar in, so we had to remove one bracket and do them individually, one at a time. Put that in here. So we got it in before my boy over here cut it off, but it's in there. That one's in.
So we just gotta tie it now?
Yeah. Is that how you want it, facing up? So all that's left now is to tighten the Allen bolt, and it has a bolt on the nut on the back that keeps turning if you don't hold it in place. So you just got to get the sizing of the wrench and the Allen wrench and do counter opposite force, and you'll get it all tight. So you want to make sure these are tight, because these are the ones that protect you from a fucking collision to your impact bar. So don't forget to tighten your shit, yo. And then we're gonna hit it. So we ran out of natural light.
Yeah, you got survival, man.
Now it's time to hook all of this shit up. And this is the wiring, the wire harness.
They didn't tell me they did that. I don't think it should catch waters on the bottom.
No, I won't. So what we actually did to run the wire was we actually removed the boot that stops the water from coming in from the firewall, and we ran the wire underneath that. And we go inside, and it makes it a lot easier to pull the wire from under it. The wire's right here. It's under the boot, but it shouldn't catch any water there because it got all around the edge. And plus, whoever put the previous fog lights drilled a hole through the boot here, and it hasn't caught any water, so it should be good there. So now what's left is to plug everything up now.
Yeah, the relay.
We're gonna plug in the relay, the ground. You're gonna have a lot of leftover wire. You're just gonna want to zip tie it up somewhere. The guy said zip tie it up like right here under the radiator support by the apron.
Talking about this?
No, I'm talking about all the extra wire.
Oh, extra wire.
But that's pretty much it. We're just gonna connect our, what is it, our positive and our ground.
And probably mount the...
Yeah, you should put that one over there. I was gonna say don't hook it up with the ground. We'll put the black one right here. Where your hand is at?
Where?
Yeah, and we'll put the other one right here on the battery. Alright guys. So what was it, Aldo?
So
both reds
go on the blue wire from the harness, black on black, and the green goes to the white wire from the harness.
All right, but we're just testing the light because we're not gonna leave it like this open where it can fucking catch on fire and burn your whole truck. So we're just doing it so we can test it. I'm for real.
You think it'll...
Go try it on and go tell me how they look, and then I want to look afterwards.
Hey! Check that out! Ooh, player!
Turn them on. Bam! Turn the other ones on. Fuck it. A la madre. That's it, bro. Game over, huh?